guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I was surprised with the Gemini Junior as a present, just because present and I love those. So we're going to do the unboxing of the Gemini Junior and see how it goes and how it works and everything. So stay tuned, let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, so let's get to the unboxing. So it comes like this. We're going to open here. It opens this way. And then that way. So that's what we see when we first open the box. So what I'm going to do is tip this upside down and get it out of the box, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so in the bottom of the box had these few things. So this one is the user guide. So we got that. We got the embossing folder. And we got these die cuts with it, the dies to make the die cuts, So that's what it looks like. And here's some more. The tag, the hearts. And then this is the plates. All the plates that you need. And then of course the machine. And on the side here is the extension cord to plug it in. So what I'm going to do is just set it up and then I'll be right back. Guys, so I undid everything. So here are the plastic cutting plates. There is a rubber mat, which is a rubber shim, plastic shim, the magnetic mat, and then a metal shim. So those were the things that were in there. I did open up the die, so that's ready. I do have some paper right here that I'm going to use. And then I plugged it in back here. There's a button where you can just turn it on. So I'm going to do that. And in the user guide, when you read it, it shows you the different ways to put the plates so you know what you're doing. So, you know, for cutting thin material metal dies, cutting intricate dies, and it gives you the way you should be putting the plates. So that's always good. So this book won't be going far. Deep multimedia dies, which you could do multi-layers, which is good at one time. And then this one is for the embossing, and this one is for embossing with 2D folder, and then this one is embossing with the 3D folder. And also in the guide you get the register your Gemini Junior machine, and you just follow the instructions. So we're gonna give it a go and try it now. So let's do that. So I'm just gonna move it back just a little bit. There. And on the top it has the power on. It has stop and play again, like stop, pause, play. And then it has reverse, so if you want it to reverse back to you. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to try the die cut. So I'm just going to set up the plates and then I'll be right back. So what it says is you need your clear cutting plate, your plastic shim, your magnetic mat, and put your die cut facing up and not down towards the mat. Your material that you're going to be cutting, which is this paper, and then another clear cutting mat. So you're just going to sandwich it all together. Just like that. And you're going to turn it on. Okay, so then what we're going to do is just push it through to start. Just a little nudge. It comes out the other side. And there it is there. And then it's cut. Okay, so I have a piece of pink cardstock, and it says to put the pink cardstock or your material in between the folder of your embossing folder there. So that's what I'm doing. And then it says your clear, your plastic shim, your embossing folder with material inside, magnetic shim, and your clear cutting plate. So we're going to take that one off. So this is a plastic shim, material inside, putting that there, and then your magnetic folder, which is there, and then a clear clear plate. So we're just going to sandwich that together just like that, and then we're going to put it in and let it go. It's done. So we're going to open it. Oh, it's really pretty. So now it's embossed. I'm not sure if you can see the pattern. So it definitely worked. Really, really pretty. I have quite a few embossing folders that I could use. So I'm really excited because I haven't used them yet. So it definitely works. It's a lot of fun. It is simple. All you got to know is the combination of the plates, and then away you go, just start crafting. So I'm going to use it tonight and cut some more different dies and see what I can get cut up, and use my embossing folders and go from there. But they're really, really pretty. I'm really excited. I'm glad I got it. And yeah, so that's my unboxing, everyone. The Gemini is a lot of fun. I'm really happy I have it. I will be using it a lot. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. Bye, everyone.